To enable or disable screen reader punctuation in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe upward down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, and then select settings, tap verbosity. To enable punctuation, tap punctuation switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white.
Voice assistant on. Screen reader, showing items 1 to 5 of 5. Settings, showing items 1 to 11 of 23. Verbosity, off. On. Off. Settings. Screen reader. When voice assistant is on, your phone provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what voice assistant off.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.